How to remove your Spotify account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Spotify account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down. Click settings and privacy and sorry, not settings, click on your profile here and then you will find edit profile, click on it and then just go down until you find links and click edit and then click remove. Go to your Spotify account and you will find remove, click on it and just save it. And that's how to remove your Spotify account on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.